So changing out the brake pads. These are the new brake pads. Put those on. Unscrew these two bolts here. Take off the calipers, or the caliper. Should be pretty straightforward. There. Lift that out of there. There, the brake pads in there. Nothing left on them. Okay, then I think we'll just pull this pin out here, the cotter pin. Okay, straighten the cotter pin out. Pull those out. And then you see the pads here connected here. Okay, so pull those out. There. And then put the new ones in. Okay, new ones are in. Pretty simple. Just come in here, have a little, put them together, put it in the middle there, put the cotter pin back in, done.